Meaning of frigidity.
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 Frigidity. Frigidity refers to a person's inability or lack of desire to experience sexual pleasure. It is a term commonly used to describe female sexual dysfunction, although it can also affect men. Frigidity can be caused by a variety of physical and psychological factors including hormonal imbalances, medication side effects, depression, anxiety, or past trauma. Treatment for frigidity involves identifying and addressing the underlying cause, which may involve therapy, medication, or lifestyle changes. It is important to seek medical attention if frigidity is causing distress or interfering with one's quality of life.